How you doing, folks? Once again, this is Tony, one of the yard managers here at Driving Academy. What I want to talk to you today is making sure that you check every single day that your release arm is in place on your tractor trailer. Could be many reasons why your release arm popped out of malfunction, or maybe somebody was playing with it. So every day before you drive your truck, you come over and you get a look underneath your trailer. See that your release arm is fully engaged. The safety latch is in place. If that release arm is out, that means there's a problem here. If you pull off without checking your release arm, depending on how heavy your load is, how fast you pull off, you can drop your trailer right there on the ground. We don't want that to happen. So if you're unsure that your trailer is hooked up, you look underneath here, it looks like your release arm is fine, still not sure, not a problem. Just jump inside your tractor, do a tug test. Put your tractor in gear, leave your trailer brakes engaged, give it a little tug. Hopefully you do a tug and you don't go anywhere because your trailer is securely attached to your tractor. But if you start to move, hit your brakes immediately and back it up. So you want to look underneath your trailer and you want to definitely make sure that your release arm is fully engaged. In other words, it's all the way in. If that release arm is pulled out at all, popped out at all, we will know that that's a problem, and you don't want to leave here with your release arm out. It has to be fully engaged, as we see here. So we looked underneath the truck and our release arm seems to be in position. The trailer's laying flat on the fifth wheel skid plate. It looks like we're in gold in here, but again, we're going to do a tug test just to make sure the trailer is actually secure, is being secured by the locking jaws. So we're going to go ahead and put our vehicle in drive. We're going to release the parking brakes on our tractor, but we're leaving the trailer brakes applied. We're going to go ahead and give our tractor a little bit of gas, and hopefully we're not going to go anywhere. There we are. Yep. So there you go. So the trailer is holding us steady. We're not going anywhere. The trailer is locked in place and it is secure at this time. Go ahead and apply our parking brakes, put it in neutral. And that's how you make sure your trailer's attached to your tractor. All right, so again, that's how we get a look at and make sure that our trailer is attached to our tractor. You know we're going to be safe as we're moving out of our parking space for our next part of our run. With that said, tune in to us for more videos so we can find out more helpful hints to make sure that you stay safe out on the road. Again, my name is Tony, one of the yard managers here at Driving Academy. Look forward to seeing you guys who's still looking to get your license really soon.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.